Hello, guys. So, welcome to the broadcast of the interview O1 conduct with Oga IFEANYI. So, this is our Arsenal fans profile interview where we get to meet Arsenal community members, Arsenal fans, to know how they became Arsenal fans and ask them some series of questions in their journey. All right, so we're done here with Oga IFEANYI. So, the first question on the day, that be, what's your name, nationality, and which club do you support?
Yeah, my name is IFEANYI SIMEON. Yeah, I'm from Enugu State, Nigeria.
Okay.
I'm a Arsenal fan.
All right.
Arsenal I support.
All right. So how did you become Arsenal fan?
Yeah, I became Arsenal fan early 2001.
Okay.
2001 when Arsenal signed Kolo from Ivory Coast.
Okay.
Understand? So I became Arsenal fan because of my father love black playing in England. Understand? So I always see my father watching Arsenal match because of life of Campbell, Kolo, all these Arsenal, Whittled, and the rest of black. So with the love of this, I can't say, okay, make I follow my father to watch this Arsenal. Understand? I can't love the Arsenal as this thing. So I can't love Arsenal very well. Understand? That's why I'm staying in Arsenal till now. no go area.
Have you? All right, so mention 3 of your favorite Arsenal players of all time and why them be your favorite players.
I will first call Igwe Thierry Henry. Okay. Because he's the king. He know how to score all the time. Also, I will call Kolo. He's my man. I do love the guy very well. Even though when he signed to Man City, understand, I still love the guy as a footballer. And says Fabregas, the wonder boy. Understand? And many of them, Song, Ramsey, I still love them, but this is my 3 best.
Okay.
As an Arsenal fan.
All right, so do you see Arsenal winning the league anytime soon, and why?
Yes, sure. I'm seeing Arsenal winning the league if Arteta can listen to advice. Understand? I'm seeing Arsenal winning the league if Arteta can listen. Because the reason why I say if Arteta can listen, understand? If you watch our previous matches, you see that we are playing -1. No doubt. Understand? If Arteta can listen to the fans and the reaction of the people, Arsenal is going far. At least Declan Rice, you can see what happened yesterday. Yes, the guy is doing well. The guy is a very nice player. I must confess, he's a very nice player. He will be the best signing of the season.
Okay.
And that's because if you watch our match yesterday, you will notice Partey. You will notice that Partey is not around. You will notice everything like Partey. I know Partey is a strong man, no doubt. Partey, if Partey play match yesterday, you can still see that Partey is working. But at least this is a signing that the best replacement of Partey is this guy, Rice.
Rice, okay.
Yeah.
All right, no worry. So, what improvements would you like to see at Arsenal presently?
Like I said before, I like Arsenal to improve in midfield, mostly midfield. Understand? Because without a midfield, Haaland cannot score. Understand? Without the midfield, the striker cannot deliver. If you watch what happened, you see that Odegaard is now marking Odegaard, because if Partey mark give, like last year, if Partey mark give Xhaka will now give Odegaard. Odegaard will throw the pass. That's why you see Odegaard making a 15 to 16 assists in a season. Understand? But now Odegaard is now playing deep. If you watch yesterday match, this guy Iketa didn't play anything because Iketa is now coming back to mark ball. Nobody will throw the pass. So that I say that the improvement I want Arsenal to improve, that let this Arteta try somebody like Patrick Vieira in that midfield.
Okay,
or Trossard, and I believe that they will deliver more than Harvard. Sure.
Okay. All right. So will you stop being an Arsenal fan if you were given $100,000?
Even though 200, I don't go. I don't come out. Arsenal is a movement. I love Arsenal. Arsenal is a movement. I love Arsenal very well. If Arsenal they lose match, if you can testify it for maybe my friends around me, if Arsenal they lose match, it's like I'm going mad. So Arsenal is a movement. Even though you give me 100,000, I know they go. Where I want to enter? Where I enter Chelsea? Where I want to enter? Where you want me make I enter? Just tell me where you want me I enter. No, we get there. We go still do something.
True. True. No be lie. All right, now. So, what are the things that will make you consider leaving Arsenal, if any?
If I want to leave Arsenal, I will leave Arsenal since now. Even the last year, I did tell one of my guys, say, you know, our this thing now, we do our religion, we get pattern. He say, anytime you see Arsenal doing well starting of the season, watch their last 10 or 15 games. But anytime you see Arsenal doing
struggling in
the beginning, watch their end. Their end, they may go 8 matches unbeaten. Understand? But now they are doing well. The problem this guy gets is that you see that Arsenal is doing well now. So you make it. I know the ending of season, all this injury of a thing and that. When you are signing player, you sign like this thing. This our defensive midfield now. Partey is injured. Partey
injured now.
Injury. Declare Rice is playing. We are not missing Partey.
Yeah.
Maybe Partey will come back. Declare Rice will go injury. We are not missing Declare Rice again. Yeah. This is what I want Arsenal to do in all the
opposition,
all the distance. Understand? Even though if Ben White go injury now, Tomiyasu can try, or Timber. Even that three, Timber. If Timber is around, I say Timber can try that three, try that two. Yeah. Understand? But now, if this guy go injury now, somebody like Saliba now, who will replace Saliba now?
Nobody.
Somebody will throw. So you see that if you see Man City now, if this one go injury, you're not going to even notice.
Yeah.
Even now, Guardiola is not around. You're not going to even notice that Guardiola no day.
De Bruyne not even there around self.
De Bruyne not even there around. They are still doing well. So this is what I want Arsenal to do. If Arteta can do it, you see the problem Arsene Wenger have, that Arsenal is not giving Arsene Wenger money to sign players.
Yeah.
If they give if Arsenal gave Arsene Wenger money, they give Arteta, Arsenal can win Champions League. Believe me.
Yeah.
So that is the what I want Arsenal to do.
All right. So if you had the power to bring back an ex-Arsenal player, who would it be and why?
For now, if you ask me to bring back Arsenal player one, I will bring Xhaka back.
Okay.
I will not allow Xhaka to go. Because forget about if you watch Xhaka last year, the best season of Xhaka is last year. If you can now, if you can understand the best Xhaka for Arsenal for like 8 years he spent for Arsenal is last year. See the guy coordination, how he coordinates, leader. Do you know that Odegaard is a captain, but Xhaka is a leader? Xhaka control players. Even ginger ref. If ref blow rubbish, you ginger ref. Are you getting me? It's like a leader in that team. But if you watch that match yesterday, I swear, if Xhaka did that match yesterday, first half, Arsenal forbid these people like 3-1 for first half. Because if you see that we are playing -1, only two midfielder is there. Harvard is not playing anything. So if you ask me to bring people back now, I will bring Xhaka. Play Xhaka and White for that, Rice for that midfield with Odegaard. You will see improvement.
Okay. All right. So since you've been an Arsenal fan, what are your best Arsenal moments?
If you ask me, I would say 2-4 now, invisible. I think I want to talk. When we played at 8 matches, win 26, draw 11. Draw 12 for 11.
12.
Yes. If you watch, you say that is my best moment. Even though that time we are still watching all these, we never stable of watching a match that time, but that is my best season.
All right. So what are your worst Arsenal moments? The period they will say, they cry, they para.
Now 2 seasons now where we lost Champions League.
Baka.
Oh boy. If I not die that year. But people they say their worst year is last year. I know say it will happen. I know even carry out for mind say Arsenal go win league. What they carry for mind, what will happen last game. If you watch last 2 seasons, we supposed to go Champions League last 2 seasons. Now Newcastle.
Yeah.
Understand? And they tell people say the one Arsenal supposed to win for their home, they will draw it. What do you expect them to do for Newcastle?
Yeah.
Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Like Man City will not miss chance in that Man City stadium. If you go your home, draw. So my worst moment is that 2 C's. We they beat the 1-0 with red card, you know. So that year, if I not die that year, I'm not gonna die again. I swear. I know they take Arsenal again. What are they here? Say, I love the club. I love the way they are playing. But what I want to do is that even if Arsenal is playing ball now, I will be just watching this. If Ateta is making mistake, I'll be shouting, Ateta, why are you still leaving this guy in this match? Remove it. If they lose, fine. If they won, fine. But I love the club.
All right.
It's my favorite.
So what's your advice to all Arsenal fans out there?
Yeah, I don't know. To be an Arsenal fan, you have to be patient.
True.
That is number one. To you to become Arsenal fan, patient. Because one guy always they tell you, say, if you support Arsenal, to have heartbreak in the relationship, no. Nah, the same thing. No, you don't go to weigh you down again. So what did I say? If you, as an Arsenal fan, you have to be patient. You have to be patient. Be supportive. Understand?
Yeah.
For me, that is the only thing I have to say. Arsenal is all about doing drama at last. The only thing we say, make we break that yoke. Make we break that. If in a village people they follow Arsenal, make them stop. Understand? Make we do that thing where we say ending of the season, but we will still remain that place. Understand? That ending of the season, 10 matches to go. Watch Arsenal. Look at last year, 10 matches to go. We are Man City is behind us with 5 points. 10 matches to go. We draw Everton, draw this one. Everton even beat us.
Draw back-to-back 3 games.
Draw back-to-back with the West Ham. Draw. No sense draw. What cost it? Nothing. Understand? The only thing is that maybe we will have patience as an Arsenal fan, always support. But let me tell you one thing as an Arsenal, if Arteta didn't make changes, Arteta may lose his job as an Arsenal coach. Okay. I don't know whether as Arteta and the Harvard they are sharing their money. I swear. I don't know whether maybe they're paying Harvard 100,000, Arteta will collect 50, Harvard will collect 50, making the play Harvard. Because yesterday match, Sachus watch match. You watch that match, you know what I'm talking now.
No, we all agree saying
okay, watch Patrick Vieira last match. He 2 assists. Yesterday, 1 assist. Why can't you give young man a chance? Look at Trossard, magic wonder. You can't give them chance. You still playing Harvard. At least sometimes you give Harvard more time. As in maybe second half, like 60-something minutes or 70 minutes. You bring Harvard, no problem. I didn't ask you to bench Harvard because you buy him. He's an expensive player. $70-something million. I know say you spend money there. I didn't ask you to not play him, but at least give other people a chance.
Yeah.
Don't underrate Trossard. Trossard came January last year, make 10 assists. Still, you don't see that. You don't see that boy because you buy him cheap. So for me as an Arsenal fan, make una get patient. Say if God go do am this way, we are at least for the group stage, Champions League. We sure for group stage. That one I'm sure. We sure. But what you gonna pray? May we come first so that we play people will come second.
Yeah.
But for Champions League, I don't say we go qualify. That one I'm sure. We go qualify. Yeah. But na group stage, na local stage, we go try our luck because Arsenal is a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so special thanks to IFEANYI for honoring our request to grace our interview program. And our community members, if you are interested in the program, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So I will DM you because our program will do subsequently like that till we interview thousands and thousands of Arsenal community members. All right, guys, so thanks for joining the show. IFEANYI, as usual.
Yeah. I'll be coming to your show every match. I have the link now.
All right, now.